Right, here we go with another one then. This is Cheddar Gorge. Should be a good one, this. And this is the official GoFundMe launch hike. So let's do it. Yep, so Cheddar Gorge, and it's England's largest gorge and the largest gorge in the UK. Rises to 450 feet. Morning. Yeah, so it's also an SSI, this is known as the Cheddar Complex, and that's a special site of scientific interest, and it's home to a lot of wildlife like the goat you just seen, kestrels, peregrine falcons, blue butterfly, adders, dormice. So yeah, a lot of wildlife around here. So the oldest ever complete human skeleton was found in Cheddar. He's known as the Cheddar Man, and that was in 1903. And apparently over 9,000 years old the skeleton was when it was found, and that was 123 years ago when they found it, the Cheddar Man. And he'd suffered massive injuries as well. I'm guessing like a arrow or a sword or something. Crazy really to think about. Oh, look at that. The old limestone. Can't beat it. Incredible. Looks mad, doesn't it, the grass? Bless you. Yeah, so Cheddar is the hometown of Matt and Luke Goss. Remember the lads from Bros back in the 80s? Good lads, I've seen them in a lot of interviews, and yeah, come across really well. I like Luke Goss as an actor as well. So yeah, hometown of the Bros guys. And I remember when I was at school in the 80s, all the girls used to be crazy about Bros. So if you're listening, guys, I've got a GoFundMe campaign on, so hint hint. Time check, going up to 5 miles. Right, so I'm not going back the way I come. I need to try and get some better dramatic views of the cliff, so I'm going to try up this way instead. Hopefully get some good views. Oh, let's get up these steps then. That's where we come from, all over there. I believe that was along the south cliff. Now we're going back along the north cliff. Wow, look at them goats there. Amazing. So that brings me on to the old geology fact of the day then. Limestone, known as Carboniferous limestone, formed around 350 million years ago. But the actual gorge started forming around 1.2 million years ago, during the last ice age, basically from glacier meltwater. Incredible. So there you go, that's Cheddar Gorge. As I say, there's not really a summit as such. The summit, I guess, rises to 450 feet on the other side there, the south cliff face, which we went along first. So that's Cheddar Gorge. Peace. there's been quite a few films shot here over the years. Jack the Giant Slayer, 28 years later, and he was actually the inspiration for J.R.R. Tolkien's Lord of the Rings as well. The cave system was a big inspiration. So it was voted the second greatest natural wonder in England and the United Kingdom, Cheddar Gorge, in 2005 in the Radio Times survey, behind Daniragoff in Wales apparently. It's pretty incredible. Can only just about make it out, but I believe that that's Glastonbury Tor in the far distance there. Stalagmites and stalactites, extensive cave system on Cheddar Gorge. Absolutely spectacular. Weather's perfect as well today. Brilliant. Yeah, it's a bit steep, to say the least. You gotta love it though. So that's known as Bake Hole. Little cave. Mad, this forest. So this is Cheddar, nice little town. Coming up to the end then. 7.5 mile, cracking. That's me wraps up with another one then guys. That was Cheddar Gorge, and that was the official GoFundMe launch hike. So check that out if you can. Hoping to try and summit 50 mountains. So it's a long shot. You got to try these things. So if I can get funding, I'll be doing it. So peace. See you on the next one guys. Bye. There you go. Treating myself. I deserve it. Velvet bottom. Tan your hide, excuse the pun.